HANWHA QND-8080R 5-megapixel camera review. Ever wonder how smart surveillance changes everything? Ever felt frustrated with blurry, hard-to-adjust indoor cameras that leave you guessing what's happening? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. What if you could have crystal-clear 5-megapixel video with smart features that work automatically? The right indoor camera can turn monitoring your space from stressful and tedious into effortless and reliable, giving you confidence every time you check in. Security challenges pile up. Poor visibility, difficult installations, or missing crucial details can cause stress. Imagine if you could remotely adjust focus, zoom, and coverage from the ground without ladders, while ensuring day and night monitoring with precision. With HANWHA's motorized varifocal lens and infrared night vision, monitoring becomes proactive, efficient, and worry-free, giving you peace of mind even in complex indoor environments. Introducing the HANWHA QND-8080R, a 5-megapixel indoor network infrared dome camera that combines high-resolution imaging with intelligent analytics. Its 3.2 to 10 mm motorized varifocal lens allows installers to adjust zoom and focus remotely, saving time and eliminating repeated ceiling climbs. The 120 decibel WDR balances bright and dark areas, ensuring faces and objects remain visible in challenging lighting. Infrared night vision extends monitoring up to 20 meters, providing clear black and white images in total darkness. One user shared, "We can zoom in on product labels or faces from across the warehouse without disturbing operations." Built-in analytics like tamper detection, defocus alerts, and virtual lines reduce false alarms and enhance proactive monitoring. PoE simplifies installation, combining power and data over a single cable. The camera also supports microSD cards for local storage. Bonus tip: the H.265 compression reduces bandwidth without sacrificing clarity, ideal for multiple camera setups. HANWHA's QND-8080R transforms indoor surveillance from a hassle into a seamless, intelligent solution. The HANWHA QND-8080R doesn't just capture footage, it delivers actionable security intelligence. Imagine being able to monitor an office, lobby, or retail store with sharp 5-megapixel resolution, day or night. Experts rave. The motorized varifocal lens allows perfect framing from the ground. No ladders, no guesswork. Users confirm. Night vision is exceptional. The entire showroom is visible with no dark corners. The camera's Y-Stream 2 and H.265 codec optimize bandwidth and storage, making multi-camera deployments practical and cost-effective. Advanced video analytics like motion, tampering, and defocus detection alert you only when necessary, reducing false alarms and saving time. The build quality is robust, suitable for long-term indoor use, and integrates seamlessly with major VMS platforms. Whether monitoring a corporate office, school, or hospital, the QND-8080R ensures clarity, reliability, and intelligent alerts. Which feature would elevate your security? Remote focus, WDR, or night vision? Comment below. Thousands of businesses already trust HANWHA to protect valuable assets and personnel. With this camera, high-resolution surveillance becomes intuitive, responsive, and worry-free. Limited stock. Upgrade your indoor security with the HANWHA QND-8080R 5-megapixel infrared dome camera and enjoy sharp, reliable monitoring day and night. Join countless businesses and offices that rely on its motorized varifocal lens, infrared night vision, and intelligent analytics. Don't wait. Protect your space, simplify monitoring, and enhance safety today. Click now to unlock features like PoE convenience, advanced WDR, and local microSD backup that make surveillance smarter and more efficient. Elevate your security with HANWHA today.